Coca-Cola was basically not a beverage first. It was originally intended as a patent medicine by John Stith Pemberton from Columbus, Georgia, and sold the product as a medicinal beverage. With more than 2,800 products available in more than 200 countries, Coca-Cola is now the largest beverage manufacturer and distributor in the world, and one of the largest corporations in the United States. So how did they made it happen? Free sample coupon. Despite being a great-tasting product, Coca-Cola's existence was unknown to many consumers outside the southeastern United States. To address this, Asa G. Candler, who purchased the recipe for Coca-Cola from inventor John Pemberton in 1888, started giving away free sample coupons to anyone who would try a sip of a Coke. From 1894 through 1913, more than 8.5 million sample coupons were redeemed for a free Coca-Cola. And by this time, 1 out of every 9 Americans had tried Coca-Cola. Coke for a nickel. Coca-Cola's earliest leaders believed that their product should be affordable and available everywhere. To achieve this, the company held the price of Coke to 5 cents, or 1 nickel, for almost 70 years. Despite the impact of 2 world wars and the Great Depression, the company insisted that the trial and acceptance of its product could best be maximized by making Coca-Cola a beverage, affordable to everyone. This steady price contributed to increasing consumer demand for the product, which in turn caused bottlers to buy more syrup to produce the product. Birth of the Coca-Cola system. As the beverage industry underwent an era of immense change and competition in the late 1800s, Candler focused on expanding distribution. By selling the rights to bottle Coca-Cola more broadly, he aimed to create nationwide demand for his product. In 1899, Candler sold the bottling rights for Coca-Cola to 3 enterprising businessmen, Benjamin F. Thomas, Joseph B. Whitehead, and John Lupton in Chattanooga, Tennessee for just $1, forming what today is known as the Coca-Cola system. A franchise partnership between the Coca-Cola Company and more than 250 bottlers worldwide, this system has extended Coca-Cola's reach far beyond what Candler ever imagined. Now with sales in more than 200 countries. Launch of the iconic Contour bottle. Almost immediately after its launch, Coca-Cola faced an enormous number of lookalikes attempting to imitate its success. To confront this, Coca-Cola challenged glass companies to create a new bottle design that was so distinct that it could be recognized when broken on the ground, or by touch in the dark. In 1915, inspired by the shape of the cocoa pod, the Root Glass Company created what is now known as the Contour bottle, to distinguish Coke from its peers. Now more than 100 years old, the Contour bottle has become a celebrated, and instantly recognizable icon around the world. Diversification. Minute Maid, Sprite, Tab and Fresca. The purchase of the Minute Maid Corporation in 1960, marked the company's first venture outside of carbonated beverages. At the time of this purchase, Minute Maid accounted for 1/3 of the sales in the juice category in the United States, and had developed a reputation for the quality of its product. Coca-Cola introduced Sprite, the company's first lemon-lime drink, Tab, its first diet drink, and Fresca, a sugar-free citrus drink. Since then, the Coca-Cola Company has grown to offer more than 3,800 drinks across a wide range of categories. Diet Coke. In the late 1970s, Coca-Cola began developing a new drink that would reignite cola sales and satisfy an increasing appetite from consumers for low-calorie drinks. In 1982, to great fanfare, the company introduced Diet Coke as the first extension of the Coca-Cola trademark. Although there were initial concerns that a new diet drink would diminish the trademark, within a year of Diet Coke's launch, it became the nation's top sugar-free beverage. The introduction of Diet Coke was an important milestone for the company, because it started a new period that prompted the company to take risks in introducing unique new drinks to meet customers' changing needs. Becoming a total beverage company. In the late 1990s, Coca-Cola began talking about a transformation, from being predominantly a sparkling beverage company, to becoming a total beverage company. Dasani launched as the company's primary U.S. water brand in 1999, followed by the launch of Simply Juices in 2001, Gold Peak Teas in 2006 and the acquisition of Vitamin Water and Smart Water in 2007. Today, each of these brands rank among the company's 21 brands that each generate more than $1 billion in retail sales annually.